welcome to Latham Industries. I'm Tracy Latham, and we've been in this location for about 5 years, and we're very excited to be moving in with Spirit Electronics. We wanted to take a few minutes to tell you some features about our equipment, and this is our printer, okay? And you'll be able to see a board come in, okay? So the nice feature about this printer is if the pace gets low, it gives the operator a warning. If it can't get a reliable print, it will shut down. It also has 2D inspection, so we can actually inspect the board before it leaves the printer to make sure that we have paste on all the pads, there's no issues, there'll be no bridging, just a variety of things. Once this is set, it's very precise, and then after it's done, it also self-cleans. Then you'll see the board comes out, okay? And then it'll go into our pick and place. Put that along there for you. And here it goes. Okay, see it scoots in another board. Okay. These are high-speed heads. We can place an 03015. Okay. And as you see the flashing, that's it calibrating every time it picks up a part. So then once we set the part, it stays very precise. Okay. We also have the ability to 100% inspect VGAs. It checks for that it's present, it checks the size and the condition of it. And if it's not good, it will not place it onto the board. Okay? These are all smart parts, which allow us to set up ahead of time. We also have traceability on the components right down to the board level, so I can tell you real parts, every reference designator and what boards they got placed on. Okay? Then after that, it comes into the oven. Okay? And you can see the little blue dots here when the board's in the oven. These are all the zones. Okay, this is a 10-zone oven. We went with a 10-zone oven because it'll handle most thermally challenging assemblies, especially heavy multi-layer PCBs and aluminum boards for the LED industry. Okay, it's closed loop, so our heating and cooling is very precise. We also bought KIC software, so it allows us to put extra parameters in there, so we can really fine-tune the oven profile. And then after that, all of our boards come into our AOI inspection, and that's right down here. The oven's a little bit long. Okay, and this is our AOI. And the big difference with our AOI, it's 12 megapixel camera, it's true color. Okay, the old ones are, most of them are black and white. You get a lot of false errors because of the shadowing, and you get an operator that goes click, 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 and out go releases. Okay, on this board you can see, like, you know, it's calling up this LED. This component is very small for the size of the pads, so we set the parameter really tight on this so we can monitor how much it's really shifting so that we can continue to fine-tune it at the pick and place. Okay. And then it has the 4D inspection, and then if we had a part, say it said the leg was lifted, it has a laser in there that can actually come over and measure the height of that leg to verify if it's truly lifted or not. So all of our boards go through AOI. We have a record of everything that gets reworked and repaired, so we have full traceability on that also. That's our line.